Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on AOL. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.aol.com and hit enter. After the home page of AOL opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, click on the Forgot Username option. Once you click on the Forgot Username option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in your credentials. You'll have to fill in your email address or phone number here and then click on Continue. Once you click on the Continue button and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be further guided to another page which will help you to reset your password on AOL. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on AOL. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.